Good morning, everybody. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people. Here is a report from the Jerusalem Post. Prince Charles comes to Israel amid royal storm. Prince Charles is scheduled to attend the World Holocaust Forum in Jerusalem on January 23, 2020, to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the liberation of Auschwitz. Less than a week after Boris Johnson and his Conservative administration won a sweeping victory in the 2019 UK general election, it was announced that the heir to the throne, Prince Charles, would be making an official visit to Israel. The main purpose of the trip was to attend an event at Yad Vashem titled Remembering the Holocaust, Fighting Anti-Semitism on January 23rd. The 75th anniversary of the liberation of Auschwitz, 75 in the Greek Strongs, to contend for a prize, struggle. I am struggling, striving, as in an athletic contest or warfare, I contend as with an adversary. This is used in 2 Timothy 4, 7 and 8. I have fought a good fight. I have finished my course. I have kept the faith. Henceforth there is laid up for me a crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, shall give me at that day, and not to me only, but unto all them also that love his appearing. 75, to fight the good fight. A crown of righteousness. Strong's Stephanus. The crown of righteousness. I pray you are blessed today. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people, the sign of his coming revealed.